One of the most enjoyable out-of-town vacations I have had was at the Triboa Majestic Bay in Subic. Invited there by my friend Kenway, my brother Nonel and my nephew Enrique Hill with his family were given the royal treatment. After 2 adventure-filled, appetite-satisfying days, I sat down with the most hospitable owners to talk about this luxurious getaway.
First of all, thank you for your hospitality. It's fantastic hospitality. It's the Asian way of welcoming people, and that is a sign of success when you have that kind of hospitality. So, you are a successful businessman. How long have you been business associates?
Almost 30 years na. 30 years
30
na
years.
kami nakakilala kami yung mag-asosyo.
Okay. And you started with a restaurant, I believe?
Yes,
Bistro.
Okay. And then, next, what business? Why Subic? Why are you in Subic?
Kasi yung isang basis dito ako yung construction sa warehouse tapos nakita ko dito sa Subic, maganda dito, wala traffic, sariwa mga hangin, malinis, maganda view.
And then you met, nagkakilala kayo ni Edward.
Yes.
Okay. So, paano nyo naisip yung warehouse business?
Kasi yung punta ako dito, yung sa warehouse talaga kakonti. Tapos yung marami yung galing Taiwan, Japan, kaya China, Hong Kong, yung mga investor, wala sa warehouse. Kaya yung gusto ko tayo yung warehouse para yung mga investor, meron kuha agad warehouse, pwede sila pa-application agad. Tapos kuha yung, para yung dito sa Subic, marami tao nakatrabaho.
So, how many years na kayo sa warehouse business?
16 years.
16 years.
16.
And successful, ang very good business ang warehouse?
Yeah. Yes. Mga investor, foreigner, meron din local. Yes. Maganda dito kasi yung meron yung pier. Tapos dito sa tao sa Longapo, almost 250,000 yung tao. Hindi makulang tao. Yeah.
I see. Now, you are slowly going into the hospitality business. Meron kayong itong club, country club. You bought villas dito sa Apex Village. Can you tell me more about yung plano nyo for the hospitality business? You're building a condo hotel.
Yeah. Kasi dito yung kasi yung 1996 Apex dito yung meeting. Ngayon kaya gawa namin dito sa mga 300 yung kwarto ng hotel. Yung hotel. Kasi yung maganda dito view. Kaya lahat yung Apex na dito PD lugar. Dito lugar yung PD nila maganda talaga. Kaya yung decision namin kasama po sa ito, dito kami tayo yung sa hotel.
Hotel, okay. So nag-iimbita kayo ng mga Taiwanese investors to come here and put businesses here. So anong reception ng Taiwanese investors? Do they like? Do they see ang potential?
Yeah, dito talaga pasap kahit Chinese, Taiwanese, Japanese o Korean. Basta lahat ng foreigner pa napunta dito sa Subic talaga natutuwa. Wala masabi talaga. Kaya nakita nila dito maganda dito. Tapos yung tao dito mapabait. Tapos kaya sila dito yung kawa mga warehouse, kawa yung mga kumpanya.
Okay. And also yung mga facilities ninyo, no? The food is excellent, tapos meron kayong yacht, meron kayong mga golf, meron pa kayong yung ride, yung jet skis, then you have a karaoke, ang daming facilities dito, no? You really know how to entertain. Magaling. Oo. Ano pang businesses ang in the future are you thinking of? Okay, a resort is like a vacation place, are you?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ever thinking of like putting a casino someday or?
No.
No, just vacation.
Yes.
Okay.
It's more on a retirement.
Retirement.
Yeah, kasi most of the guests they bought this condo here in Majestic Bay. They are more senior citizen. Lahat halos malaking percentage is more on their retirement.
And I'm sure you can take care of, like, say, mga people who will help them, mga domestic helpers, no?
Yes.
Because they probably won't have that in Taiwan. But here they can have healthcare, no? Edward, the service here in Traibo is excellent. How do you come up with such a great staff? Everybody from your servers to the karaoke dancers to the people in the yacht to everybody so good. You agree?
Yes, yes.
Excellent service.
Yes. Every time they have mistake, actually, we just give him an advice. Then, if not, then they just change it.
Yeah, but there's a family feeling eh.
Yeah.
Parang you feel like a family. I don't feel like staff sila and you're the boss.
It's like family.
Yeah. It's excellent. Well, congratulations on your wonderful service as well.
Okay.
Thank you, Edward.
Thank you, sir.
Subic Triboa Majestic Bay offers frolic and relaxation in the bay, rough and tumble adventure up in the mountains, sumptuous meals and luxury. Asian hospitality at its very best.